Hey YouTube, you know who it is. It's me, Beer Stud. Today, I'm gonna do some laundry. Here's what my shirt looks like before I go to work. Clean somewhat, a little bit of stains, but here's what it looks like after. And when I was at the auto parts store, I saw this. I figured, you know what? This has got to be a gimmick. But I'll give it a shot. I guess Fast Orange makes some laundry detergent. So today, you get to see Beer Stud do some laundry. Be back in a moment. Alrighty guys, I'm at the local laundromat. Again, this is the machine I'm going to use. I'm going to use this. And I'm going to use this for my fabric softener. Now, got a fairly good size triple load right here. And I'm going to wash all these clothes right here with this to see if it's really worth getting. I mean, $15 a pop. My expectations is that it better clean all the stains out. Well, let's get started. All right, as you can see, got my clothes loaded up, got my chains ready. I'm gonna load her up. And 325. All right, according to directions, you got to use warm water, shake the bottle, and I'm going to use 3 capfuls since I got a triple load. And again, warm water. Hit the start button. Oop. Now it does have that slight orange smell to it, about the color of lemonade. But other than that, 2. And the final one. 3. See what she looks like over here. Now she does suds up pretty good. I'm not going to film this thing going around and around in circles. Next time I see you guys is before I throw in the dryer and what she looks like after the dryer. But like I said, still got to add fabric softener. I'll wait till it hits the rinse cycle for that. Guys, have fun. I'll be right back. All right, guys, I got less than a minute. Still on the final spin. And as soon as we open it up, we'll look at that famous orange shirt before we throw it in a dryer. But meantime, we'll just watch the thing go around and around and around. Round and around she goes. Quite boring, but it is what it is. Oop. Bloop. She's starting to slow down. There's that orange shirt. Oh, there she is. After all, it's the only orange shirt in there. We'll go the other direction. And boom. Still less than a minute, as it shows. All right, here she is. Let's look at that. There she is. There's the orange shirt. Looks a little cleaner, but didn't get the stains out like I wanted. All right, guys, as you see, it's in the dryer right on top. I got 4 dryer sheets. Separated my shirts from my pants over here. And let's get these things dried and compare this shirt with my other clean shirt, and I'll give you my final review. Please hang on. As you can see, we're around and around and around. About 21 minutes. We'll see if these things are well worth. See if they're clean, dry and clean, folded, and ready for the business week, for next week. Hey everybody, here I'm at the Bear Studs man cave, giving you my final conclusion on this Fast Orange Grease X, or X Grease. Here's the one I showed you this morning, and here's the one that I just cleaned, and here's my conclusion. I didn't get like all the stains out like I really wanted, but then again, I wasn't really expecting all that much from a laundry detergent. But a few things I will say is it does smell like, has a light scent of orange to it, like the Fast Orange hand soap. But as far as the eliminate oil and fuel, but it doesn't really have the exhaust odors on it, so that's a plus. Will I buy this again? I'm not really 100% convinced that this is the best stuff. You know, I'm not convinced that this is the greatest thing since sliced bread. I mean, as you can see, it says it can do up to 40 loads, and it only contains 40 ounces. I just don't know anybody that uses 1 ounce to do a laundry. But the only thing I can think about doing 1 ounce on is maybe washing your baseball cap, your ball cap, in the bathroom sink or the kitchen sink. But other than that, I'll stick to what I normally use. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below. Hit the thumbs up if you like it. Hit the thumbs down if you didn't. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And have a safe one.